Hi, welcome once more to my fashion channel. Today I want to teach you how to know your color. Everybody has a color that suits her or him. It's never a general rule for everybody. So as a fashion stylist, I always help my customers look fresh, and looking good and looking your best most time involves knowing what suits you. Because this suits Mrs. A does not mean it's going to suit you. It's really a very easy trick. While it is true you cannot always get color patches, swatches like this that I have, but you could play with pieces of fabric that you have at home. So all you need to do is pick the colors, place close to your skin to know how it actually translates. Because some colors make you look younger, some make you look older, some colors make you look gloomy, while other colors make you look refreshing and vibrant and happy. So you want to know these colors. It is really important. So now, like I picked the green and I put against my tone or under my chin, you will now know if it suits me or not. I think green is my color. It doesn't make me look darker, it doesn't make me look older, and it doesn't make me, look less of who I am. So you pick another color like purple, you place under your chin or close to your face. Even when you're picking Ankara, you need to do that. You just place over your shoulders and you would know if that color suits you or not. Now I have a brown here. I place under my chin or close to my face, and I know brown is my color. Now pink, what do you think? You see, it has this bright, youthful effect that it actually gives you when you wear color pink. But if you're light skinned, you may go for a little deeper shade of pink, or even when you wear light colored pink, you could mix it with a darker shade, then it suits you really well. Now, this is a white swatch, color swatch. Now you put that underneath your skin. For me, you see, it doesn't really do much for me. I don't know, white is not my thing, but it's not as if it's bad, but it's still not my color. It may be yours. Now black. You notice the quick, what's it called, change in tone and how you look. I wear black. Black suits almost everybody, but if you're really, really dark, then you don't want to go for black. This is the shade of blue. There are many shades of blue, so you can get the different shades of blue and put close to your skin and see if it suits you or it will go with you. Okay, now there's the color red. You could also do the same thing, and you pick, you see, red, lovely red, suits me really nice. So you notice that some colors suits me more than others. So if you get the bigger color swatch, a color like this, a plain color, maybe it's a cloth or something, just put over your shoulder, close to your neck, your face line, you'll be able to really know if that's your color or not. Then you could also go for green and you check to see if it's your color. So it's a very simple trick that we all can do at home. So try the colors, get creative with your wardrobe. Try new things, because if you don't try new things, you will never know if they will suit you or not. And when it comes to color suiting someone, also you want to take that into your makeup. Your lipstick. Some lipsticks that are pale don't suit everybody. Like for me, I know red is my color. I know the fuchsia pink is my color, not the pale pink. So when you use certain colors, they don't really do much for you. So you want to stay away from such colors. You want to go for colors that make you look younger or your age, makes you look vibrant, happy. Okay, cool tones or bright tones, it depends on what works for you, but we have something for everyone. So if you want to know, if you're still confused how to know what color suits you, maybe because of the color of your eyes or your hair or your skin, feel free to send me a message, send me and I'll be able to help you, because I believe that looking good is every woman's prerogative. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos from me. Don't forget there's the notification button down there, so you want to actually activate that, so As soon as I drop the video, you're going to be notified and you can stay trendy. So till I come your way again, it's bye from me. Don't forget, subscribe.